Biology for Engineers. Today's DD based delivery is about blood pressure. So there is two types of blood pressure, hypertension and hypotension, which is referred to low blood pressure and high blood pressure. So how many of you have high blood pressure? Anybody in this class having high blood pressure? Okay. So low blood pressure? No. How many of you are normal? So you are maintaining a good pressure level in your blood. So what is the normal range of blood pressure? Anybody know?
142.
120 is the healthy range of blood pressure. So what is the basic definition of blood pressure? Hypo blood pressure or hyper blood pressure?
Hypotension blood pressure is a condition where blood pressure is lower than the normal, causing insufficient blood flow to the organs. And hypertension means a condition where blood pressure is higher than the normal, putting extra strain on the heart and the arteries.
So symptoms of hypotension.
Symptoms of hypotension, slight headaches and symptoms of hypotension, slight headache, fainting, blood vision, lack of concentration and body weakness.
So these are all the symptoms of hypotension. So speaking about hypotension, we also have hypertension. So that symptoms carries.
In case of hypertension, the symptoms are headache, dizziness, vomiting, shortness of breathness, and etc.
Next, causes of hypotension. Firstly, have a severe blood loss, dehydration, myocardial infarction, and heart failure. And at last, hypothyroidism. And then the causes for hypertension, Kearsley kidney disease, Cushing syndrome, and hyperthyroidism.
So speaking about myocardial infarction. So anybody knows the term what is meant by myocardial infarction? Anybody knows what is myocardial infarction? So have you heard about somebody is having had a mild attack? So that doesn't mean that they have a severe heart attack, but that means the person is having a mild attack. That is not highly risk factor comparing to heart attack. So myocardial infarction is a mild attack. Okay. So next.
High blood pressure. Stage 1, 130 to 139 systolic or 80 to 89 diastolic. Stage 2, 142 systolic or stage 2, 142 systolic or 90 diastolic. Low blood pressure. Considering generally below 90 by 60
Talking about the symptoms, so there is a process for all prevention for all these symptoms. So prevention and measures.
To prevent hypotension, drinking water is necessary. So eating often food can prevent hypotension. For hypertension, avoiding salt contents and oily foods and maintaining a good diet, and also physically active can prevent from hypertension.
So she explained about the prevention measures. So drinking a lot of water, which may lead you to maintain a healthy blood pressure. So low BP is always also considered as a iron deficiency also. It may lead to a dizziness, headache, and everything. So which is highly dangerous, high blood pressure or low blood pressure? Low BP is highly dangerous comparing to high BP. Why it is called as highly dangerous? So people with low BP will not able to stand or walk properly with the time of low BP occurs. So they may have a dizziness and they cannot be able to be in control. So that low BP is highly severe condition when compared to high blood pressure. So what are all the risk factors of hypo and hypertension?
Risk factor of hypertension. Risk increases with age, family history, unhealthy diet, physical inactivities, intake of alcohol, excess. Risk factor for hypotension: dehydration, nutritional deficiencies, blood loss, severe infection, heart condition, endocrine problems.
So these are all the common symptoms, causes and prevention cares of hypotension and hypertension. So which is collectively called as blood pressure. Thank you.